Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this pepper spray, pepper gel with belt clip. It's by SABRE, the #1 brand used by police apparently. So I want to show you all the packaging before I open it. Crossfire technology, deploys from any angle. Maximum strength red pepper with UV marking dye. So that sounds pretty hardcore if I were to try to use this on anyone. Maximizes target acquisition, protect against multiple threats. 18 bursts, that's good. Gel is safer. Gel only affects the target. Let's see, keep out of reach of children. Caution, severe skin, eye, and respiratory irritant. So that's the point of it. Let's check out the back. Oh, that's cool. They have a free how to use training video on their site. All right. It's actually hard to open. Let me use my... This is really hard packaging to open. Sure I don't pierce the can. Alright, let me get this out. There we go. Alright. Here's what it looks like. Sturdy feeling belt clip. That's pretty much it. Thanks everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Hope you all have a great day. See you next time. Bye.